How to remove a SIM card from iPhone X, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, or iPhone XR. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove a SIM card from iPhone X, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, or iPhone XR. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Instructions on inserting, removing your SIM card can help with activation issues or errors, browser connection problems, and a blank or frozen screen. So, firstly, ensure the device is powered off, and now from the right edge of the device, display side up, remove the SIM card tray. Utilize the SIM eject tool or paperclip to unlock the tray by inserting it into the provided slot. Once the tray is removed, lift the SIM card from the tray. Now, press in on the tray to lock it back in place, and this is how you can remove a SIM card from iPhone X, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, or iPhone XR. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.